how to use voice typing in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to enable voice dictation in your Google Docs and make the task a lot easier? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Go ahead and open up your web browser, Google Chrome, and then open up Google Docs. Now you'll need to remember three shortcut keys in your keyboard, that is Control, Shift, and S. So you can see that docs.google.com wants to use your microphone. So you can either tap on allow while visiting the site or allow this time. So go ahead and tap on any of it, and then voice detection will be enabled like this. If you just tap on the mic and it turns red, then whatever you speak will be typed in the document. Just remember the shortcut keys, that is Control plus Shift plus S. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.